guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Aaliyah Storm and this is my YouTube channel. I appreciate you for clicking this video and watching it. If you do enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Please like this video. It really does help if you can hit that bell and get notified whenever I post new videos, and subscribe, because that's how you also know when I get new videos posted, which I'm getting pretty good at. This is my third video probably within 3 weeks. So if you want to get used to that, please go ahead and subscribe. But anyway, so this is just going to be a recap from the Model Essentials workshop that I hosted along with some amazing, talented, creative people this last Sunday. I'm not going to lie to you, I was nervous to go because of this whole coronavirus thing. I'm still nervous about being there, but I went, I came, and I conquered. I met so many amazing, beautiful souls, so many different types of people, so many walks of life. They had two amazing photographers, which I will link right here. Their Instagrams will be here somewhere. Shout out to Maya Jones, my girl. I'm gonna put her info here as well. She's amazing. You can go ahead and follow her Instagram. She's also a photographer. She had two photographers, like I said already, and I'll put their Instagrams below. They took the behind the scenes, and she also had an amazing couple who is awesome and great and just so talented, because it took everybody's headshots, and everybody's headshots came out bomb.mother.com, okay? But yeah, so she had some amazing people there, and I am so proud of her because she did that shit, okay? She's a mom and a freelancer, and her man, they just be working, being creative. He does music. Shout out to Jaros. But yeah, anyway, so back to this, the Model Essential Workshop. She had mimosa, she had some pizza, she had cameras everywhere, so we got so many good headshots behind the scenes. Like, it was such a good vibe. We talked Model Essentials, we talked how to book modeling, and how to, if you are freelance, which you do. We talked about Instagram, we talked about hashtags and how to post them on it. We literally talked about so many things that so many people probably wouldn't know when you're starting modeling. Like, we talked about safe places to meet with photographers. We talked about so many different things, so if you did miss this one and you're sad about it, it's okay, because this was just the first one. We're gonna get better and bigger every single time, okay? So without further ado, I'm gonna get right into the video because I'm extra as hell. So yeah, let's get right into it. I appreciate you for coming here and watching this video. If you are from the workshop, thank you for coming back. You are in this video, and I'm sorry if I didn't tag your Instagram, y'all. I did my best. Editing is kind of hard and tedious, and you gotta take your time. But yes, and I know, obviously, I don't look the same because I'm not wearing my wig, and right now this is my natural hair, but I was obviously wearing a wig in that video. But yes, so that is also another video that will be coming out shortly. I will be showing y'all, don't mind my pimple, I'm gonna be getting a visit from Mother Nature like any moment now. But anyways, so I know I don't look the same as in the video. I was literally going to put that whole fit on just to record this intro, but I'm like, no, that's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna be one of those people. This is the real deal. This is what I look like right now. That's what I look like back then on that Sunday. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking now. Let's get behind the scenes and watch this lovely video. Bye. Gorgeous, baby, give me all this still. Been on this since we was kids. She feel my mind on what I did. I'm the highest in the field. Hope I make it out of here. Right. She feel my mind on what I did. I'm the highest in the field. I see some things that you might feel. I'm doing this show, I'll be back soon. That ain't what you wanna hear. I'm with you, I feel alive. You say you hope I'll make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm wrong. I say some things that you might feel. I'm doing this show, I'll be back soon.
things with you. Like, and it all depends. Every company is different.
Right.
But for me, most of the time, what I carry, obviously my hygiene stuff, which is my contacts, alcohol wipes, because sometimes I'm using their earrings and I have got an infected ear.
Oh wow.
So I like to sanitize that. Your lotion, your body sprays, your pads, for girls, tampons. What else do I have in here? Yeah, just basically my little hygiene. You always want to carry your hygiene bag. Another thing that I carry, obviously bras. You always want to stick to the neutral, black,
strapless, right? Okay.
Well, strapless and nude and black. Sometimes I do need undergarments. Like shapewear. Shapewear and panties too. Always just keep it simple, nude or black. Just because you don't know if they'll have like see-through clothes and things like that. I remember my first shoot when I shot with Style for Less. I didn't know nothing about like nipple pads and stuff like that. So they're like, oh, we need you to shoot with no bra because it makes the outfit look better with no bra. So I'm like, okay, whatever, like my nipples weren't showing, and then like, comes to the lighting and everything, I'm like, I look at the picture, I'm like, fuck, my nipples are showing. And I learned from that experience, so I have like my nipple padding. Then this is like the type of bra, the sticky bras.
Okay.
And my paddings for like the strapless bra, help support. And the patches. And I get, you can find them on Amazon, Walmart.
Yeah.
It's always good to have it.
Okay.
That's such a good idea because I've worked on some sets where they haven't told the models to have that, and they're just like, "Oh, do you happen to have any?" And like, luckily, they either do or don't. And so it's so much
you always
better.
want to be prepared.
Yeah, absolutely.
Always, no matter if it's like a sport, swim, whatever. Like I feel like this, no matter what, have it with you. And get in your hygiene too, because you never know when you're gonna start, or you never know they're gonna want to make you wear a bodysuit.
Right, you don't want to wear what they have. You want to wear what you have.
What you have, yeah, exactly. There's times where I had a fit. I'm a size 11 in shoes. They make me, sometimes you're gonna wear a size 9 in boots. So these help me like slide in my feet really quick in there. I carry these. What else?
Damn.
Like I said, I'm a size 11 in shoes. So if I'm shooting like.
I was going to the rim. No, I didn't know if I could have lived. God just, baby, beat me hard and still. Been on this since we was kids. I feel my mind the way I did. Cases finished. She feel my mind the way I did. I'm the highest in the streets. Hope I make it out of here. Right. She feel my mind the way I